Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: vanilla velvet cake. These are the ingredients I will be using: unsalted butter, salt, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, buttermilk, sour cream, granulated sugar, eggs, and flour. Now let's make the cake. I have some butter in the bowl here, and I'm going to add the sugar. I have a hand mixer here, and I'm going to whip the butter and sugar together until it gets fluffy. Well, I think it's whipped up enough. See? Nice and fluffy. The next thing is we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Now let's get a spatula and push the sides down. Okay. We'll set this over here and move to the next step. I have the flour here, and in this cup here, I have the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We whisk all of that together. Now it's time to add the vanilla extract to the eggs, butter, and sugar. Then we mix this up together. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to, with the 3 ingredients here, we're going to add them, alternate them. We're going to add some flour, some buttermilk, and sour cream. Then we mix this up. We mustn't overmix. Flour, buttermilk, sour cream. Well, the cake has been mixed. Now, I have 2 cake pans here. I've oiled and floured them, and I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Now it's time to put the batter into the cake pans. Spread out evenly. Now we gotta take the spatula and smooth out the top evenly. While the cake is in the oven cooking, let's make the frosting. And these are the ingredients I will be using: powdered sugar, vanilla extract, heavy cream, unsalted butter, and sprinkles. I'm going to add the butter to this bowl and whisk it till it gets nice and fluffy. Okay, now we're going to add some powdered sugar to the butter. Then we're going to whisk this up. Add some heavy cream. vanilla extract, we add some more powdered sugar, cream, and we whisk. Well, I've finished making the frosting. Look at it, nice and smooth. Now we're going to set this aside until the cake has finished baking. I've taken the cake out of the oven and let it cool, and now it's time to frost it. Put the second layer on. Now that the cake is all frosted, it's time for the sprinkles to jump all over the cake. Here you have it, vanilla velvet cake, a cake that you can make for any occasion. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.